Today on PowerNation Daily, Nissan is bringing a whole new meaning to winter vehicles. The 2019 ZR1 beats out the Ford GT at VIR. Philly fans got so rowdy after the big game, they started tipping over cars. A pickup that really mows down the competition, and an autonomous police car that just might be giving you tickets in the future. It all happens right here on PowerNation Daily. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Gannon Pritchard. This is PowerNation Daily. Be sure to get connected with us online at PowerNationTV.com. We have a lot to talk about, so let's get to talking. Nissan has given the 370Z a facelift for the Chicago Auto Show later this month. The automaker will be bringing a specially constructed 370Z Roadster snowmobile. Yeah, snowmobile. And that's pretty cool. It's called the 370Zki, pronounced 370Zki. And it has a 3.7-liter double overhead cam V6, putting out 332 horsepower. This thing is ready for the slopes. Pretty much every aspect of the car had to be messed with to make it work. The suspension, the brakes, the engine, everything. But they got it in there and it fit. With its front skis and rear snow tracks, who needs snow tires? This thing is pretty cool. What do you think about it? So it wasn't long ago that Ford held the record at VIR, Virginia International Raceway, for the fastest production car lap. The GT held the record until recently. It was knocked off by the Corvette ZR1, which ran a blistering new lap time. The drive reported Chevrolet announced they were able to do the lap in the 2019 ZR1 equipped with the ZTK performance package in 2 minutes and 37 seconds. That's 1.37 seconds quicker than the Ford GT's time, and that makes the ZR1 now the fastest production vehicle ever to lap the course. That aside from the harness bar and the 5-point harness, the ZR1, it was totally stock. You can watch the whole lap if you want to, which I do recommend it at PowerNationTV.com. Whether you're an Eagles fan or a Patriots fan, or you were just there for the commercials, the weekend's game was entertaining, that's for sure. And to no surprise, the town of Philadelphia went nuts after the Eagles won the big game. Crowds flooded the streets, they were jumping off awnings, jumping off buildings, climbing poles, but things got a little more intense as the night went on. The crowds actually gathered around a silver sedan, this one right here, and literally physically pushed it over on its side. Hopefully, if you were in Philadelphia, you had a good time and you weren't a part of the crowd, but if you were, send us some pictures. There's always a lot of variety at the drag strip. That's one reason we all like to go, but this is a first for sure. This Mazda driver bolted down a lawnmower in the bed of the truck. The cool thing is the truck was turbocharged and it had an LS under the hood. It was still able to run a good time. 11 seconds in the quarter mile. That definitely makes you look twice. What do you think about it? Just what society needs, autonomous police cars that can issue tickets. Oh man. Ford might be making a robot car, and this could be the next big thing if they can actually make it happen. Ford's new autonomous cop cars will issue tickets through wireless communication, and the officers won't even have to get out of the car. Come on now. Once the autonomous police car can identify the vehicle in the wrong, it could pull it over, scan the plates for a license, and then determine whether it wants to issue a warning or a ticket. Ford filed a patent earlier this year and said this technology would free up officers to do more important things instead of writing tickets. What do you feel about it? Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Be sure to get connected with us online at PowerNationTV.com, also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We're everywhere. We'll see you guys soon.